All right, so I have got a grocery haul for you, a lot of baking stuff. I kind of went a little heavy on certain snack items because it is a couple weeks before Christmas. So I'm trying to stock up because I don't have to go back. I know I'll have to go back for some things, but these were like specialty items that like I can't get on a pickup. So I went into Aldi to get some of the stuff, and then we did do a Sam's pickup, and I got a lot of snacks too. So we'll start over here. I got my iced coffee because Aldi had it. I really love getting it from Aldi, but they don't always have it, so I was kind of happy I picked one up. I got this 3-pack of Tylenol from Sam's. The kids have had just colds. You can kind of hear it in my voice still. So we were actually, I think I have one dose left, so I just picked it up. It actually had a good coupon. I want to say it was like a $3 or $5 off coupon, which was pretty good. So I picked up that. Picked up some more pepperoni. Robert loves pepperoni on his sandwiches. Picked up some more of this pre-cooked bacon. This is just like great if you're gonna make a sandwich, or sometimes the kids want it as like on a side, as you know, with their dinner. So we do that. I got a couple of packages of the iced tea with lemon. I love these to throw in my water, and I figured since I was out all day, I'd pick it up. Some sliced turkey. They were all out the other day when we went to the store, so I knew I had to pick it up. I got some of the hash brown, the shredded potatoes. We are going to be making it's like a kind of a casserole, breakfast casserole for Christmas Eve, and I needed this, and I figured if I saw them, pick it up. I needed this California medley for a pasta dish I'm doing this week. Butter, because it's that time of year. I also needed saltines for a dessert that I do around Christmas, so I needed the saltines for that. I got 3 packages of chocolate morsels because, let's face it, chocolate chips are like life right now when it comes to baking this time of year, and I knew I was going to need like at least 2. Also vanilla, I'm getting low, so I picked up 2. I also got some cheeses over here. The Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Ed actually really likes these snack cheeses, and I haven't had them in a while, so I picked that up. Just the regular mozzarella cheese sticks. Needed Mexican cheese and cheddar cheese for a few dishes this week. Also picked up more baking stuff. I picked up this Bake and Decorate Giant Cookie Kit. This was from Aldi. I thought this would be fun to do with the kids one day. They've been loving baking, and it's just so fun to do. So we're going to do that one day. I also did these ninja bread, the gingerbread cookie kits that are ninjas. Instead of doing gingerbread houses, we were going to do gingerbread houses this weekend, and I was going to pick up like the pre-made ones. But I saw these and I was like, yeah, we're doing these instead. And when Robert and Mia saw them, like, yeah, let's do that. So we're going to make ninjas instead of gingerbreads this year. I also found these winter cutout cookies. They're pre-cut little cookies. So I thought that would be kind of fun, and then we can decorate them. Okay, I went a little crazy with the cinnamon rolls because I need 3 for Christmas morning because I make a monkey bread, but I use cinnamon rolls with it. Oh my God, it's so good. I make it every year, but I've been having a hard time finding cinnamon rolls. And when I went into Aldi, they had like 6 cases of them in the fridge, which I was like, holy cow. So they had a really good date. I think it's like February, I think. Yeah. So I know I'll need 3 just for Christmas morning. And then we like to have them anyways. I'll make cinnamon rolls for anything. The kids actually like them in the waffle maker because you can put one in and press it. It cooks so much faster. They love it. So it's a quick, easy breakfast. I knew I was going to need chicken, not this coming week, but the following 2 weeks, because I've been meal planning ahead of time, you know, between the holidays, and then we're actually traveling the weekend before Christmas, so I'm trying to get everything ready. So I knew I was going to need chicken, and I actually was going to need a couple of pounds, and they had this 5.5 pounds. It was a really good price, $1.99 a pound, which is pretty good right now. So this will be enough for the 2 meals I need it for, which is perfect. I need zucchini because we are going to be making, oh, what are we making? What are we making with the zucchini? Oh, muffins, the banana muffins. I have a ton of bananas in my freezer. So I'm going to pick up those. I picked up those. I'm going to make those this week. 2 dozen eggs for baking and just eating. I got these 2 packages of the sweet Hawaiian rolls. We've got a couple meals that I'll need those for, so that'll be great. A 2-pack of the Sara Lee Classic White. We love this bread. I get it from Sam's. It's the best price, and my kids just love this. I hear the truck too, honey. I got 2 packages, okay, hold on, of these small tortillas. I don't know if this is actually the right size. We got this, like, mini, like, I don't even know what to call it. It kind of looks like a waffle maker, but it actually makes pancakes, and, like, you can do quesadillas in it, which I did, but I don't know if this is the right size. These kind of look like they might be a little big, but I think it'll still work. I'll be fine. Excuse me, Miss Lady, get down, please. All right, from Sam's, I got a Diet Pepsi for Ed. He takes these in his lunch. I got 2 cases of just Diet Pepsi for the house. 2 things of Goldfish. I really am hoping I don't have to go back to Sam's before the holidays. These Mesquite Barbecue Kettle Chips from Aldi. So glad we haven't had them in a while. Both kinds of Doritos, Pirate Booty. We bought 5 boxes of the kids' protein bars. That was originally why we were going into Aldi, because I cannot get those through a pickup because they changed the design of the box, and for some reason, like, it doesn't register that they have it in stock. They actually don't even register that they sell it, but I literally just picked it up, and I even tried like scanning it too. It doesn't work. So we picked up a bunch of those. 2 packages of Cheez-Its, some of these mini Bear Grahams. The kids love these. And then they had Twinkies at Aldi, so the kids love Twinkies. So we picked up 2 boxes. Robert tried to get more boxes in the cart, and I said 2 was enough. And Miss Mia apparently is playing with the water. So this is all we got. I think it was like $80 at Sam's, and then this was like $130. So I'm going to get all this put away so we can go play outside before it rains later.